This medication, called G-Supress Dx, is used to temporarily treat symptoms such as cough, chest congestion, and stuffy nose caused by the common cold, flu, allergies, hay fever, or other breathing illnesses like sinusitis or bronchitis. Guaifenesin helps to thin and loosen mucus in the lungs, making it easier to cough up the mucus. Dextromethorphan is a cough suppressant that affects a certain part of the brain, reducing the urge to cough. This product also contains a decongestant, which helps relieve stuffy nose symptoms. It's important to note that this medication is usually not used for ongoing coughs from smoking, asthma, or other long-term breathing problems, unless directed by your doctor. It's also not recommended for children under 6 years old, and certain forms of the medication are not recommended for children under 12 years old. Be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist for more details about using the product safely. It's important to follow the dosage directions carefully to decrease the risk of serious side effects. This product does not cure or shorten the length of the common cold, and it's important not to use it to make a child sleepy. It's also important to avoid giving other cough and cold medications that might contain the same or similar ingredients. Be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist about other ways to relieve cough and cold symptoms. When taking G-Supress Dx, it's important to follow the directions carefully. If you're using the over-the-counter product, make sure to read all the instructions on the package before taking the medication. If you have any questions, it's best to consult your pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed G-Supress Dx, be sure to take it exactly as directed. You can take G-Supress Dx in the form of a tablet, capsule, or liquid, either with or without food. Make sure to follow the dosing directions on the label, or as directed by your doctor. It's also important to drink plenty of fluids while using this medication, unless your doctor tells you otherwise. This will help to loosen the mucus in your lungs. If you experience stomach upset, you can take G-Supress Dx with food. If you're using the liquid form, be sure to use a medication measuring device to carefully measure the prescribed dose. Do not use a household spoon. If the liquid form is a suspension, make sure to shake the bottle well before each dose. For sustained-release tablets or capsules, swallow the medication whole. Do not crush or chew the tablets or capsules, as this could affect the long action of the drug and increase side effects. Remember that the dosage of G-Supress Dx is based on your age, medical condition, and how you respond to the treatment. It's important not to misuse this medication, as it can result in serious harm. Do not increase your dose or take G-Supress Dx more often than recommended without your doctor's approval. If your condition lasts for more than 1 week, gets worse, or occurs with a persistent headache, fever, or rash, be sure to consult your doctor. These could be symptoms of a serious medical problem that needs to be checked by a doctor. Some common side effects of G-Supress Dx may include dizziness, headache, nausea, nervousness, or trouble sleeping. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist right away. Your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's important to tell your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as mental or mood changes, shaking, weakness, or irregular heartbeat. A severe allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but seek medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. As always, it's important to follow your doctor's recommendations regarding the daily dosage and the best time to take this medication for optimal results. Before taking G-Supress Dx, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. Make sure to also discuss your medical history, especially if you have any breathing problems, diabetes, eye problems, heart problems, high blood pressure, kidney problems, overactive thyroid, or trouble urinating. It's important to note that this medication may cause dizziness, and using alcohol or marijuana can increase this effect. It's advised to avoid activities that require alertness until you can do them safely, and limit alcoholic beverages. If you are using marijuana, be sure to talk to your doctor. Liquid preparations of this product may contain sugar, aspartame, and/or alcohol, so if you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, liver disease, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to avoid these substances, it's important to discuss this with your doctor. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, so it's important to be aware of potential effects such as dizziness, difficulty urinating, fast/irregular heartbeat, trouble sleeping, confusion, or mental/mood changes. If you are pregnant, it's important to discuss the risks and benefits of using this medication with your doctor. Additionally, if you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this medication. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking G-Supress Dx, as they can change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. It's crucial to avoid taking certain MAO inhibitors with G-Supress Dx, as it may cause a serious and possibly fatal drug interaction. This includes medications such as isocarboxazid, metaxalone, methylene blue, and others. Your doctor will advise you on when to start or stop taking this medication. Another product that may interact with G-Supress Dx is rolapitant, so be sure to check the labels on all your medications to avoid taking more than one product with the same ingredients. This medication may also interfere with certain medical/lab tests, so it's important to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are using this drug. In terms of its benefits, G-Supress Dx can help to manage certain medical conditions when taken as prescribed. The daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this medication will vary depending on your specific condition and medical history, so it's important to follow your doctor's instructions closely. If someone has taken too much G-Supress Dx and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while in Canada, you can reach out to a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include agitation, confusion, hallucinations, and seizures. Make sure to get help right away if you or someone else is experiencing these symptoms. When taking G-Supress Dx, it's important to follow the recommended dosage provided by your healthcare provider. Typically, this medication is taken once a day at the same time each day for the best results. Be sure to consult with your doctor about the optimal timing for taking G-Supress Dx based on your individual needs. If your doctor has prescribed G-Supress Dx, it's important to follow their instructions and not share it with others. Be sure to attend all scheduled medical and lab appointments to monitor your progress and any potential side effects. This will help ensure that you are getting the most benefit from this medication. The daily dosage of G-Supress Dx will depend on your specific condition and medical history, so it's important to follow your doctor's instructions carefully. It's best to take G-Supress Dx at the same time each day to maintain a consistent level of the medication in your body. This will help maximize its effectiveness. If you are taking G-Supress Dx on a regular schedule and you happen to miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it is close to the time of your next dose, then it's best to just skip the missed dose and take your next one at the regular time. It's important not to double the dose to make up for the missed one. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing of G-Supress Dx, it's best to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare provider. They will be able to give you the specific details on how much to take and when is the best time to take it. When it comes to storing G-Supress Dx, it's important to keep it at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Make sure not to store it in the bathroom or freeze any liquid forms of this medication. Always keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it's time to get rid of G-Supress Dx, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to dispose of it. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.